Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm stitching instructor making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video I am teaching you stitching and cutting of straight pants. First take the measurement of a person you will be sewing for. I am making it for 6 years old girl. First take the measurement of waist circumference. After that hip circumference and then total length. Before I started this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Then you can get the notification of my new videos. Let's get started the video. I take 1.5 meter fabric and I fold this fabric in a lengthwise. Open side of this fabric I keep it towards me. Before measurement, first I will cut the extra fabric from this side and upper side also. First I am measuring the waistband. I mark on 2 inches and then make a guideline. Now under that guideline I will mark for total length. Total length is 29 inches, so mark on both sides in order to make the straight guideline. After that I am marking 2 inches for bottom folding. Now make a guideline. Now this is the total length. This is the bottom folding and this is the waistband. After that I will mark on waist. For waist I will mark according to the hip size. Like whatever your hip circumference is, suppose it is 28, then divide it from 4, then get the 7. Then add 2 inches for loosing. I'm going to make a square as per formula. Like mark 9 under the waist towards the down. Like this way. All sides should be equal. Make a perfect square. Now mark 2 inches for crotch area. Then make a gentle curve on this. Now measure the bottom side of a square, which is 9. Then divide 9 from 2. Then get the 4.5. Mark 4.5 in a square box as well as the bottom folding. Now join these two marks with the scale. It's time to mark on ankle round. For this I divide 4.5 from 2 and get 2.25. So 2.25 I mark on right side and 2.25 I mark on left side. It's a lag shaper scale. It's easily available in the market. From this scale I will make a perfect curve for my pants. Now fold the scale and mark to another side. Front side pants marking is completed. After that, I will cut it out from the fabric. After that, I will be marking back side of my pants. For this, I will fold my fabric to the lengthwise. Now mark 2 inches for waistband and make a guideline on it. Now I put the front side of my pants cutting onto my back side pants in order to make marking. One thing keep in mind, back side pants always 2 inches wider than front side pants. So I marked on waistband, crotch area and bottom folding. Then make a guideline on that. Always keep front side pants cutting under the waistline of back side pants. For back side waist, I am making a slanted guideline. After that, I will cut it off from the fabric. Back side and front side pants cutting is completed. Now I notched on bottom folding. This will help me in stitching. After that, I will sew crotch area of front side pants and back side pants as well. After sewed, I place front side of pants onto back side of pants and ensure that they are lined up right sides facing each other, and then sew a raw edges along both side seams. After that, hem the bottom folding. After hem, sew the inner seams. This video is getting long, so I am not going to tell you how to sew elastic in the pants. For this, I will make a separate video very soon. After sewed, this pants look like this. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.